Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, are we truly alone in this vast universe? It's a question that has fascinated humanity for centuries, from ancient civilizations staring at the stars to modern scientists using powerful telescopes. One mystery still remains unsolved. Is there life on other planets? To understand this, we need to start with something almost impossible to imagine: the sheer size of the universe. Our home galaxy, the Milky Way, contains hundreds of billions of stars, and each of those stars could have planets orbiting around them. Now think about this. There are billions of galaxies just like ours. That means the number of planets in the universe is beyond human comprehension. So the real question becomes, is Earth really the only place where life exists? It sounds unlikely, and that's exactly why many scientists believe life could exist elsewhere. Over the past few decades, astronomers have discovered thousands of planets outside our solar system. These are called exoplanets. Some are rocky like Earth, some are massive gas giants, and some exist in what scientists call the habitable zone. The habitable zone is a very special place, not too hot, not too cold, just the right distance from a star where liquid water could exist. And where there's water, there's a possibility for life. One fascinating example is Kepler 452b. It is often referred to as Earth's cousin because it orbits a star similar to our Sun and lies within the habitable zone. But here's the truth. Just because a planet is in the right place does not mean it actually has life. So what does life really need? On Earth, life is built from a few key ingredients: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. These elements are not rare. In fact, they're found all across the universe. Scientists have even discovered water in space, frozen on distant moons, hidden beneath planetary surfaces, and floating in massive clouds between stars. This suggests that the basic building blocks of life are not unique to Earth. But what kind of life are we talking about? When people imagine aliens, they often think of intelligent beings, advanced civilizations, or creatures from science fiction movies. But in reality, scientists believe the most likely form of life is much simpler: microbial life, tiny organisms, similar to bacteria. On Earth, we have discovered life in places once thought impossible: deep in the ocean, near boiling hot hydrothermal vents, inside frozen Antarctic ice, even in toxic environments. These organisms are called extremophiles. They survive in extreme conditions. If life can survive in such harsh places on Earth, then maybe it could exist on other planets too, even in places that seem completely uninhabitable. Take Mars, for example. The red planet is cold, dry, and covered in dust. But scientists have found evidence that billions of years ago, Mars had rivers, lakes, and possibly even oceans. Today, missions are searching for signs of ancient life beneath its surface. Then there is Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. Beneath its icy surface lies a vast ocean of liquid water. Some scientists believe this hidden ocean could support life. And these are just places in our own solar system. Imagine what might exist on planets orbiting distant stars. But despite all these possibilities, we still have no confirmed evidence of life beyond Earth. No signals, no organisms, no proof. And that brings us to one of the greatest mysteries in science, the Fermi Paradox. It asks a simple question: if life is likely, then where is everyone? Why haven't we seen aliens? Why haven't we received any signals? There are many possible answers. Maybe intelligent life is extremely rare. Maybe civilizations don't last long enough. Or maybe they are out there, but we simply don't have the technology to detect them yet. Scientists are actively searching for answers. Organizations like SETI scan the universe for signals, listening, waiting, hoping to find evidence of intelligent life. At the same time, space missions continue exploring planets and moons, looking for even the smallest signs of life. So far, nothing confirmed, but the search continues. And with every new discovery, we move one step closer to answering the biggest question of all. Are we alone? Maybe one day we will discover life beyond Earth. Maybe just tiny microbes on a distant world, or something far more advanced than we can imagine. Until then, the mystery remains. And perhaps that's what makes it so exciting, because somewhere out there among the stars, there could be life waiting to be discovered.